Coming up next, I'm going to give you a little tip on when you can pay your bills and credit cards every month to avoid it being late, but giving you some extra time. Stay tuned. Okay, good morning everybody. And first of all, of course, I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, keeping socially distant, washing your hands, all that good stuff, and just, staying safe. Thoughts and prayers with everybody. I did want to make a quick video because I'm getting a lot of questions from friends and different people about, bills and credit cards and what they're going to do if they can't make payments and things like that. So just a couple little quick tips that can help you and, hopefully you find this useful. First, one of the things that most people don't understand is a bill, let's say a credit card bill, is due on the 1st of every month, okay? So you pay it, on the 1st or a couple days before, whatever it is, you're good to go. All that means is the bill is due that day, and if you don't pay it on that day, they can add a late fee. But it doesn't make it late, actually, for your credit report, okay? It's not 30 days late yet. So you can actually pay, let's say the bill is due on the 1st, you can pay it on the 29th of the month, and you're going to hit with that late fee, whatever it is, check your credit card agreement, but it's not 30 days late until the 1st of the next month. So you've actually got a grace period of almost, about 30 days each month. And I don't recommend people using that grace period, but in times like these where you need maybe an extra week or 2 or 3, and if you incur the late fee, you incur the late fee, but it's better than getting a 30-day late payment. And it's better than not paying at all, okay? So that's just a little trick, little tip for credit. It's not 30 days late until it's over 30 days after, or 30 days after the due date. Secondly, look, there comes a point when you even if you make it, your credit card payment, almost 30 days late, or not late, but 30 days after it's due, and you still can't even do that because you're out of work or whatever it is. And, look, these are difficult times. Call your creditors, call your credit card companies. I'm sure you will start to see that they're going to make deferments on payments due. This happens a lot during national emergencies, or, for example, during hurricanes. This happens a lot where credit card companies will allow you to defer payments. But very important, if you call them and you ask them and you say, look, I lost my job or my income's down or whatever, can I get a deferment of 30, 60 days? Make sure that whoever you're talking to gives you something in writing, or I know it's hard oftentimes to get that from somebody. If you don't get it in writing, make sure you write down the date, the time, the person you talk to, try to get some type of confirmation number, something. At least write it down and document it, because the last thing you want is to have your credit ruined or impaired for years to come, up to 7 years, a negative stays on your credit, because of this crisis. You don't want to compound the crisis. And obviously you got to do what you got to do. But those are just a little couple tips that you can use during this time, and hopefully everyone is staying safe, and hope you found this helpful, guys. I will talk to you later. Thanks.